Hello, everybody. Today, I'm gonna tell you how to find a local private tour guide in Tokyo in a few clicks on the Private Guide World platform at www.pgworld. Open Private Guide World website on browser of your smartphone, laptop, or tablet. Start typing your destination name Tokyo in the search field. Choose the preferred language of your future local tour guide. Explore a list of local tour guides of Tokyo speaking your desired language. Read the descriptions and profile details of the tour guides you like the most. Study the descriptions of excursions the chosen tour guides offer. Their cost, duration, other conditions. At this moment, a tourist has two options. You can use one of them, or both. The choice is yours. The first option: send a mass message to all local English-speaking tour guides
Visit
in
Japan
Tokyo.
to celebrate New Year 2020.
It will increase your chances of receiving a faster
What is the
response
cost for
and
you?
compare the
You can
offers.
also reach me by phone.
The second option: choose a particular tour guide.
Evgenia. Together with my husband, we plan to visit Japan for the New Year 2024 celebration. And we craved to see Mountain Fuji during one full-day tour from Tokyo.
And send a private message with your request or
Program
questions.
can you suggest? What is the cost for two? We await your reply.
Feel free to continue your communication either on the Private Guide World platform through built-in instant messenger, or any other way convenient for you. The Private Guide World platform is available on browsers of desktop computers, laptops, tablets, or smartphones, and even on feature phone iconic the Nokia 3310. Download Private Guide as a mobile application for Android and iOS for free. Each platform operates in 6 languages: English, German, French, Italian, Spanish, and Russian. And now enjoy your Christmas tour 2024 with Fuji. Travel inspired. Always.